too. It's called the Sirena, and you know, you vacuum something up, and sometimes you know you open it up, and all the dust goes back into the air. So what's the point of doing that? So this is called the Sirena, and what I love about this is it uses some water inside. So when you vacuum it up, it puts all of the bacteria and the allergens into this water reservoir, and when you open it, you'd be shocked. This is some video that we took of it in action, and it vacuums it up. You can vacuum everything that you can see.
Ooh, that's good.
Curtains,
get all
your
those
VCR
cobwebs.
box, get all the cobwebs, and then take a look at the water in there. Ugh.
Okay, so all of the dirt is in the water, and then it doesn't fluff up and fly back out into the air, which makes a lot of sense. It seems like a small thing, but it makes a big difference.
Huge difference, and it's just a matter of dumping it maybe down the toilet, down a dirty drain, and it's all gone.
And you're done.
And this,
go ahead.
And this also doubles as like a shop vac. So this turns on, and I have some water here, and literally, if you have a spill, you know, baby throws up, who knows? You just put it in here.
Ooh, that was good.
And the water's all gone. Pretty cool, right?
That's amazing.
The Sirena. A lot of water.
The Sirena vacuum retails for $890. We are going to draw for one after the show.